Welcome to Lab 50, configuring single area OSPF version 3. Don't think you'll have to configure it for the exam, but Cisco have put it on as one of the requirements, so it could pop on there. You could have a lab on it, or you could have to troubleshoot a router that's already been configured, or just answer theory questions, maybe based upon some show commands that are available, or just general theory. So the command syntax is different. IPv6 unicast routing has to be turned on. Then IPv6 router OSPF, then the process ID. Manually add the router ID. It's an IPv4 address, 32-bit address. You go into whichever interface you want to enable OSPF on, which is the difference between that and OSPF, standard OSPF. I'm going to add a IPv6 address to the fast Ethernet. You can refer to the topology for the addressing scheme. Issued IPv6 enabled. Don't actually, it was just a habit really, you don't have to put that command on, because when you issue an IPv6 address that you enter, it enables a linked local address also. So IPv6 OSPF was enabled on the interface there. We're going to do pretty much the same thing on router 2. Telling me it couldn't choose a router ID, so please configure one manually. Just take note of the command for OSPF, IPv6 OSPF3 area 0. Obviously the process ID has to match the one we configured when we were in global config mode. So exit out of there. Show IPv6 interface brief. Show IP interface brief won't tell you much because it doesn't show the IP version 6 address. No, shut that interface. I think it was down, yeah. So you can see it's come up there. Do an IP version 6 ping. So that's worked fine. And we can see our IP version 6 OSPF, has come up now. That did take a while. Neighbors 3.3.3. Full state designated router. Show IP version 6 OSPF. Neighbor detail. And you can see our linked local address for our neighbor. Just look at the interface brief now, and you You see our IP addresses, and that's the end of the lab. Thanks for watching.